Good morning, children. Keeping your surroundings clean will not only help you to stay physically healthy but also provide mental calm. So, today the story is about cleanliness, the beautiful village. So, let's read the story. In a village, there were three best friends, Mohan, Sam, and Jack. They studied in the same school. All three were good in their studies and liked the school. They never missed the school because it was a place where they all met. Their village was very beautiful. It had some beautiful temples and old churches. Many tourists came to visit the village. So the story is about three friends, Mohan, Sam, and Jack. And where they lived, the village was very beautiful. It had beautiful temples and churches. Once Sam did not come to school for 5 days. Jack and Mohan became worried. They decided to visit Sam. When they reached his house, they were shocked to see the place. It was a very filthy place. There was stagnant water on the road leading to his house, where they saw mosquito breeding. Waste of thrown all around. When they reached Sam's house, they saw he was down with very high fever. His mother told that he was suffering from malaria. She was crying. Sam looked very pale and tired. He could hardly talk. Malaria is a disease that is spread by mosquito. It affects the liver and the blood cells. So now Sam was down with high fever. So Jack and Mohan decided to go and see him. And when they went to his place, they saw that near to his house there was a lot of water, which was dirty water, which was there, and there were mosquito breeding. उन पे mosquitoes बैठे हुए थे गंदे पानी पे, और पूरी जगह पे कचरा था और गंदगी थी. जब वो सैम के घर जाते हैं तो सैम की मदर रोने लग जाती है. वो कहती है सैम को मलेरिया हो गया है. एंड मलेरिया क्या होता है बच्चों? मस्कीटो बाइट से आपको मलेरिया होता है. जहाँ पे भी गंदा पानी पड़ा हुआ होगा वहाँ पे मस्कीटोज आ जाएंगे, और वो अगर आपको काट लेंगे तो आपको मलेरिया हो जाता है. तो बी वेरी केयरफुल चिल्ड्रेन, एंड मलेरिया इफेक्ट्स योर liver and blood cells. His father told them that nobody in the locality cared about cleanliness. Because of such unhealthy condition, very few visitors visit this part of the village. Next day, the boys told the class about Sam. They thought about helping their friend. So they decided to clean his place during the weekend. They spoke to their principal, who also encouraged them. She arranged a mask and gloves for the cleanliness drive. Thus, all the students gathered in the street, divided themselves into small groups and started cleaning the place. So, after hearing all this, बच्चे वापस मोहन और जैक स्कूल जाते हैं, एंड अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताते हैं, क्लासमेट्स को बताते हैं कि सैम को मलेरिया हो गया है, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न ही इज़ नॉट कमिंग टू स्कूल, एंड वी शुड गो एंड क्लीन his village. So they speak to the principal also. Principal is saying, very nice, I will arrange the gloves and mask for you, so you can go and clean the place. Now all the students are going in the weekend and cleaning the place. They sweep the road, collected the waste and threw it in the dustbin. They also cleared the dirty water. They continued to clean every weekend continuously for 4 weeks. This was an eye-opener for the people staying around. Gradually, they also started participating in the cleaning drive. So now these students are going continuously every weekend for 4 weekends and cleaning the street. Seeing this, people staying nearby the area, they felt little ashamed कि अरे बच्चे कर रहे हैं तो we should also be a part of this cleanliness drive. So they also started doing it. Everyone was happy when the place became clean and tidy. Now more people wanted to clean their street. Hence small groups were found and more places were cleaned. As the number of clean streets increased, the number of people falling sick decreased. Yes, so as our streets are clean, the people will not fall sick. जहाँ अगर पानी इकट्ठा नहीं होगा, मस्किटोज नहीं होंगे, गंदगी आसपास नहीं होगी, हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट होगा, तो हम भी हेल्दी रहेंगे चिल्ड्रन. Tourists started visiting the place as before. The principal appreciated the children in the assembly. The district collector took to appreciate the children to make people aware. The cleaning of effort of the village was broadcasted on the TV. This little effort of friends became famous everywhere. See now how caring and loving these two guys, these two friends are for Sam, and with the small effort of cleaning and keeping his village clean was really appreciated by the district collector and the principal of the school. Many states adopted the cleanliness movement. Slowly it became a national movement. Thus a small movement that started in a village spread in the whole country. Yes children, a small gesture of keeping our surrounding clean, see it helped so many people, and so many people joined hands and joined in cleaning the environment and the area clean. That is what we have to do. We should always keep our surrounding clean. If you want to stay fit and healthy, first thing is you should always have a clean surroundings. आपके आस पास में आपके घर को हमेशा साफ सुथरा रखिए. अगर आप कुछ खाते हैं, कुछ भी वेस्ट है, please throw it in the dustbin. Don't throw water like this outside your house. Don't let water gather outside your house. अगर ऐसा होता है then you should find a way to get that water away. क्योंकि अगर water gather हो जाएगा तो mosquito breeds कर सकते हैं घर के पास, and if they breed you might get malaria. So we need to be very alert children. So try doing this children. See that you help people and you make people aware that they should clean their surroundings. Don't throw waste on roads, right? Throw it in the dustbin. कुछ भी खाकर बनाना पील खा लिया या पेंसिल शार्प कर ली या रफ पेपर हो गया, throw it in the dustbin. Don't throw it anywhere else. This is all about the beautiful village children. Read the lesson and you'll enjoy the story. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye and take care of yourself.